Good morning, children, and welcome to our GK class. Today, we would be learning about the games baseball and judo. Baseball is played with a bat, ball, and glove. Baseballs are hand sewn with a total of 108 stitches on it. It is played in massive stadiums, and there are four blocks in a baseball field. They are called bases, and the distance between each base is 90 feet. And since it is played with a ball, the game is called baseball. Baseball is played between two teams, each composed of 9 players. One team would be batting at a time, and the other team would be fielding at a time. And after an inning, they would switch their roles. There are a total of 9 innings in a baseball game, which is played in a 90-degree area. So if the ball goes in any other area, it is not really useful. The pitcher stands here in the pitcher's mound. Pitcher is the player who throws the baseball towards the catcher, who is sitting behind the batter to begin each play. The batter stands in the batter's box, which is 4 feet wide and 6 feet long. The batter hits the ball thrown by the pitcher in the playing area and then runs to the first base, second base, third base, and back to the home, and that is 1 run. The team that scores more runs wins the match. If the ball is thrown and the batter hits it outside, then it is called a home run. A perfect game in baseball occurs when a pitcher faces all the batters and none of them could reach the first base. Next, we learn about judo. Judo, which means gentle way in Japanese, is a martial art created in Japan by Jigoro Kano in 1882. Judo is a form of unarmed combat. It involves a particular style of wrestling like hold downs, arm locks, and strangles that help in self defense. This is the mat layout. A judo match takes place on a mat. As you can see, this is the referee who normally stands in the contest area and conducts the contest from beginning to end. These are the opponents which are involved in the combat. And the two corner judges ensure that whole of the competition takes place inside the contest area. The playing area has a red outer meter surrounding it, known as the danger area, where competitors are allowed a few minutes before they can attempt to throw an opponent. Next, read the given hints and complete the blanks to form correct answers. First, the pre-arranged techniques of judo are called katas. The traditional form of unarmed combat developed by Japanese warriors was jujutsu. The training hall for judo is called dojo. Ippon, or the highest score in judo, equals to 10 points. Koka, or the lowest score in judo, equals to 3 points. Judo learners are called judoku. Dan in judo stands for the grades of a master. The world governing body for judo, IJF, stands for International Judo Federation. Arrange the color of the bells as given for judo in proper order, moving from beginner to an expert.